Hi, my name is Lito. Today the topic of our video: how to fix the eyebrows without tails and how to do parent makeup procedure for this client. Please watch this video till the end because I will show for you full procedure and will explain all details how I am doing this parent makeup procedure. Your client came to your studio without tails and she is asking to fix the eyebrows with parent makeup technique. And if you can see that hair growth is not very intensive, then you can recommend for this client any parent makeup technique. But if you can see that your client have a lot of hair, let me draw for you. For example, a lot of hair on the body of the eyebrows and there are no any hair on the tail, then I would recommend to go with magic shading eyebrows or powdered eyebrows or ombre eyebrows or combination eyebrows. I would not recommend for this type of client the microblading hair strokes. Why? Because it will not work for this client and it will just cover just some hair strokes and you will see that you will have some gaps in the tail. And if your client sometimes asking to make precise borders, then you can go with precise borders on the tail and you can go with shading technique. For example, you can do some more precise shape here. You can work with the same color which your client will choose for the eyebrows. You have to choose the color what will fit their natural hair growth, and you can work with more passes on the tails and less passes on the body of the eyebrows. Why? Because here you already have hair, and if you will implant the same amount of passes, this one will be more dark. That's why you have to improve the tail more and you can do more passes on the tail and less passes on the body and head of the eyebrows. Or you can work with two different shades of brown. For example, you can go with more dark and intensive color on the tail of the eyebrows and less intensive, more lighter color, brown color on the body and the head of the eyebrows. So let me show for you full procedure of parent makeup, how I'm doing it for my client, and all details. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to learn any permanent makeup technique or cover-up technique for the eyebrows, or how to remove all tattoo ink from the eyebrows, please sign up on my online courses. You can text me on Instagram and Facebook. You can find out the links in the descriptions below. Thanks for watching my video. I will very appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you soon. Bye bye.